Good evening, children. Class 6, 11th chapter, landforms. Got it? So now we will discuss about the landforms. When a particular, first we will discuss the definition of landforms. What is the landforms? When a particular part of a land surface will take a certain height, slopes and shape in is called a landforms. It means when a particular part of a land surface. It means when a particular part of a land surface certain will take the height and slope and shapes. It is called land surface. Got it? Mainly types of landforms. Landforms are recognized by the various names like a mountain, plateau, plains, etc. According to the heights of the regions. You are also seen the mountains, plateau, plains. Okay, so these are the common things we have to see already. Now we will discuss about the mountains. First we will discuss about the mountains. The area having a more than 900 meters height above the sea level. The area having a more than 900 meters height above the sea level. You can see the diagram. Where is the sea level? You know where is the sea level? You have to see or not in the diagram. You can see the diagram and see the sea level. Where is the sea level? You can find out. Okay, so the area having a more than 900 meter height above the sea level, it is called mountain. It is a part of land of mountain. Okay, the mountains are found. How to form the mountain? The mountains are formed in the crust of the earth due to the action, reaction and interaction of natural and physical forces like earthquake and volcanoes. Okay, so how to form the mountains? The mountains are formed in the crust of the earth due to this action, reaction and interaction of natural and physical forces like earthquake and volcanoes. Isn't it? The earthquake and volcano, it is a two main part of the formation of the mountains. Next, impact of the more than one action and forces are seen in the origination and development of the mountain. That is why in the text context of there are various aspects. Mountains are different forms of each other. Mountains, there are different forms of each other. Then classification of mountains. The mountains are divided into 4 divisions of the basis of process of formation. The classification based on the process of formation. There are first one is fold mountain, second one is block mountain, third one is volcanic mountain, then last one is residual mountain. Okay, so now we will discuss about the fold mountain. First one is fold mountain. The most of the collectively deposited sediments at the bottom of sea or lakes created fold due to the pressure which comes from the both the sides. Okay, which is both from the sides. It is the upper part turned as a peak and lower part turned as a valley. From can we see? You can see the diagram of fold mountain. You can सपोज दैट एक रबर है. रबर जब व्हेन वी कैन प्रेस द बोथ साइड्स, जब हम दोनों तरफ से प्रेस करते हैं बोथ साइड से, तो जो बीच वाला पार्ट होता है वो उठ जाता है. इट मीन्स फोल्ड. देन सपोज दैट वी कैन फोर्स ए लैंड, वी कैन फोर्स द बोथ साइड, द लैंड विल बी टर्न एज ए पीक. इट इज कॉल्ड fold mountain. Suppose that for example is Himalaya, it is a fold mountain. Himalaya in Asia, it is a fold mountain. Alps in Europe, it is also the name of the mountain, fold mountain. Example, it is a fold mountain. Rocky in North America and Andes in South America, these are the fold mountain in the world. Okay, next one is block mountain. due to the geographical force pulling force in the applied on the surface of the earth. Then cracks are formed as a result. Surrounding R is a central part of remaining substance from the block mountain, and the gorges are formed in the lower areas. Suppose that block mountain we can say the both sides, दोनों जो पार्ट्स होते हैं वो क्या है, दोनों बीच वाला पार्ट्स नीचे की ओर थोड़ा सा धंस जाता है, अंदर तक चला जाता है, जो बीच वाला जो एरिया होता है वो क्या होता है, ब्लॉक हो जाता है, मतलब ब्लॉक एरिया बन जाता है, उसको ब्लॉक माउंटेन कहा जाता है, मतलब जो पार्ट्स होता है उसका. You can see the diagrams. Okay, so you easily learn from the diagram. Okay, next one is volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountain, at the time of volcanic eruptions, the material which is thrown out is the deposited in the shape of cone. It's like a volcanic mountain. Suppose that when the lava will comes on the surface, so just looking like a cone, whenever the lava will comes coming up in जब धीरे धीरे जब लावा बाहर आता है, धीरे धीरे आता है, तो उससे क्या है, जो लावा से जो माउंटेन्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है, लुकिंग लाइक ए कॉन ऐसा दिखता है. यू कैन सी द डायग्राम. तो उसको वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन कहा जाता है. व्हाट इज वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन, इजंट इट? द नेक्स्ट वन इज suppose that for example volcanic mountain, Fujiyama of Japan. This is the Fujiyama, name of the Fujiyama mountain, Fujiyama in Japan. Okay, it is a very famous mountain in the world. Cotopaxi of Ecuador. It is a Cotopaxi, it is in Ecuador. It is the name of the capital, name of the country in the South America. Okay, so this is the volcano is erupted in the Ecuador. Got it? Next one is residual mountain. The residual mountain are formed from the residue which withstand against the natural forces of erosion. Soft rocks are eroded and stripped away since thousands of years, and the soils formed from solid rocks sustain as a highlands. Suppose that now we will discuss about the developed cities and countries and heights. The Mexico, it is a 3,300 meter. Quito, okay, 3,386 meter. This is the height of the city. Bogota is a Colombia. It is the name of the country, Colombia, 2,625 meter. Leh in India, 3,500 meter. Then these are the very developed city and countries. Then height, it is a very high height. Okay, now we will discuss about the plateau. What is the plateau? A land part having the approximately height of the more than 180 meters above the sea levels. It means a part of land, it is a height of the more than 180 meters above the sea level. We can say this is the plateau, just looking like a table, flat surface. We can say the flat surface, isn't it? But mountain, what is the height of mountain? 900 meters, isn't it? The classification of plateau. What is the classification of plateau? The plateau can be divided into three parts on the basis of geographical location and structure. First one is intermontane plateau, second one is Piedmont plateau, third one is continental plateau. Okay, so intermontane plateau. What is the intermontane plateau? Montane plateau. Any part of land which is the partly surrounded by the high mountains ranges from all four sided is known as intermountain plateau, plateau of Tibetan and plateau of Mongolia. These are the example of intermountain plateau. Second one is Piedmont Plateau. Piedmont Plateau regions having a strength slopes on the one side in the foot of mountain is called Piedmont Plateau. For example, Patagonia, it is the South America. First one is Piedmont, USA. Malwa Plateau in India are the best example of the Piedmont Plateau, isn't it? Third one is this is the third continental plateau. Continental plateau an elevated land part due to the geographical movement or cooling down of the magma on a big height and land created continental plateau. सपोज दैट जो लावा होता है अर्थ के अंदर से जब बाहर निकलता है और वो एक हाइटेड तक बहुत बड़े एरिया में फैल कर जो माउंटेन का फॉर्मेशन करता है. ओके, तो लेवेकिक हाइट लैंड प्लेट्यू ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र इन इंडिया, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, प्लेट्यू जो है महाराष्ट्र वाले एरिया को जो है कवर करता है वो एक तरीके से प्लेट्यू है, हाईलैंडेड ऑफ प्लेट्यू. ओके, तो प्लेट्यू ऑफ ब्राज़ील, प्लेट्यू ऑफ स्पेन, these are the Greenland and Australia are the example of continental plateau. These are the very important example of plateau. Got it? Next importance of the plateau. What is the importance of the plateau? The lavaic of soils of plateau is fertile and it is a very favorable for the cotton crops. Okay, precious minerals like iron, manganese and the golds are founded from the ancient solid rocks of the plateau. Suppose that ये जो plateau का importance होता है वहाँ minerals की ability what is बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में मिलती है. देन सेकंड वन इज जो इसकी जो सॉइल होती है वो फर्टाइल सॉइल होती है, जो वी कैन यूज़ फॉर द कॉटन, वी कैन फेवरेबल फॉर द कॉटन क्रॉप्स. ओके, तो ये जो क्रॉप्स जो अब हम कॉटन की क्रॉप्स करते हैं तो ये जो है सॉइल बहुत फेवरेबल होती है प्लेट्यू की, इजंट इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्लेन्स. प्लेन्स ए लेवल लैंड और फ्लैट लैंड्स एट द हाइट ऑफ द लेस देन 180 मीटर. इट मीन्स 180 मीटर से इसकी जो लैंड होता है उसकी हाइट कम होती है. फ्लैट और सरफेस जो उसका सरफेस होता है वो फ्लैट होता है, लैंड फ्लैट होता है, उसको प्लेन कहा जाता है ऑफ द सी लेवल. ओके, तो इज नॉन एज द प्लेन्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेन्स इन द वर्ल्ड आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द एलुवियल सॉइल डिपोजिटेड बाय द रिवर्स. मतलब जो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो प्लेन्स होते हैं वो रिवर्स थ्रू द रिवर्स एलुवियल जो सॉइल जो होती है रिवर्स के थ्रू एलुवियल सॉइल से फॉर्म्ड बने होते हैं क्या, प्लेन्स. ओके, apart from the rivers some of the plains are also the formed by the winds, volcano and glacier. कुछ जो plains होते हैं volcano, winds और glaciers के थ्रू बने होते हैं, isn't it? So we will discuss about the classification of plains. The one of the basis of construction plains can be classified as a coastal plains, जिसको structural plain भी कहा जाता है. Second one erosional plains, third one is depositional plains. तो we can generally discuss coastal plains. What is the coastal plains? Such plains are mainly formed near the sea shores. मतलब ये जनरली जो प्लेन्स होते हैं वो कोस्टल मतलब किनारे जो तट होता है समुद्र का किनारा जो होता है उसके आसपास पाए जाते हैं. Got it? When the end of the continental part of the land near a sea shore it is elevated due to the geographical movement. These plains are formed. जनरली क्या होता है जो सी के जो कॉन्टिनेंट का जो पार्ट होता है वो बिल्कुल सी के किनारे उसको वहाँ पे इनका फॉर्मेशन होता है. ओके, सच एज ए प्लेन्स आर नॉन एज द स्ट्रक्चरल प्लेन्स. कुछ टाइप्स दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द प्लेन्स आर ऑफ्टन फाउंड इन द कोस्टल रीजन. प्लेन्स situated in the southeastern part of United States of America. जो कुछ प्लेन्स हैं वो क्या है जो southeastern part of United States of America, isn't it? The next one is erosional plains. Erosional plains, the process of erosion goes on continuously on the surface of the earth over the long run of the time. मतलब जो erosion मतलब जो सॉइल का जो कटाव होता है जिसकी वजह से या वाटर या अदर थिंग्स या विंड्स के थ्रू जैसे सॉइल का कटाव होता जाता है, धीरे धीरे कम होती जाती है जिस जगह से, तो उससे क्या हो वहाँ एरिया भी जो है प्लान होता चला जाता है. सच एज ए प्लान्स फॉर्म ड्यू टू द एरोजन्स. जो प्लान्स का जो फॉर्मेशन होता है वो एरोजन उसका रीजन होता है, इसकी वजह से एरोजन की वजह से होता है. विच इज़ द अकर इन द माउंटेन्स एंड द प्लेट्यू बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल फैक्टर्स लाइक ए रिवर्स, विंड्स एंड ग्लेशियर्स. इसके जो है विंड्स, रिवर्स और ग्लेशियर्स जो इनकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिनकी वजह से मिट्टी जो है रिवर्स का कटाव होता है, इजंट इट. नेक्स्ट, this type of plains are not comparatively flat, but they are seen between hills of the solid rocks. Plains of Canada and Western Siberia and the forms of because of erosions. Plains built by the erosions are called the pen plains, जो कि plains बनते हैं. Next one is depositional plains. Depositional plains, this type of plains is formed because of alluvial deposit by the rivers, glaciers, winds, etc. in the lakes or seas. इट मीन्स जो विंड्स, ग्लेशियर्स और रिवर्स के थ्रू जो डिपॉजिट्स जो होते हैं, जिन डिपॉजिट्स के थ्रू जो प्लान्स बनाए जाते हैं, या मतलब डिपॉजिट जहाँ पे किए जाते हैं इसके थ्रू एक प्लान सर्फेस बन जाता है, उस जगह को डिपॉजिटल प्लान्स कहा जाता है. सच एज ए प्लान्स आर कॉल्ड द डिपोजिशनल प्लान्स एंड ऑल्सो द कॉल्ड द रिवेरियन प्लान्स. जिसको रिवर्स के थ्रू जो प्लान्स बनते हैं उनको रिवर्स प्लान्स ऑफ गंगा यमुना इन इंडिया, होंगहू plains in the North China. These are the very important plains in the world and in India, isn't it? Then the last one is, this is the finished. Thank you so much.